Here is a rule almost everyone guesses wrong at first. The derivative of a sum is the sum of the derivatives. So the derivative of a product should be the product of the derivatives, right? Let's test that. Take u equals 2x plus 1 and v equals x squared. At x equals 3, u prime times v prime is 12. The true answer is 60. Not even close, and off by a factor of 5. So where does the real rule come from? Here is the reinterpretation that makes everything click. When u and v are positive, their product is an area. Picture a rectangle whose width is u of x and whose height is v of x. At x equals 3, the width is 7, the height is 9, and the product uv is the area, 63. Now let x increase. Both sides grow, so the area grows. The derivative of uv is asking one question. How fast does this area grow? Increase x by a small step, delta x. The width grows by delta u, and the height grows by delta v. Now look at the new area. The extra region is an L shape, and it splits into exactly 3 pieces. A vertical strip on the right, height v, width delta u. A horizontal strip on top, width u, height delta v. And a tiny corner, delta u by delta v. This is not an approximation. The identity, delta of uv equals v delta u plus u delta v plus delta u delta v, holds exactly for any step size. With delta x equal to 0.5, that reads 9 plus 22.75 plus 3.25, 35 in total. A derivative is a rate, so divide everything by delta x. The vertical strip gives v times delta u over delta x, which approaches v times u prime, 18. The horizontal strip gives u times delta v over delta x, which approaches u times v prime, 42. And the corner? Watch it shrink. At delta x equal to 0.5, it is about 9% of the growth. At 0.1, about 2%. At 0.01, about 0.2%. The corner is delta u times delta v, a product of 2 shrinking factors, proportional to delta x squared at leading order. Even after dividing by 1 power of delta x, it still goes to 0. What survives is 18 plus 42, 60. Exactly what direct differentiation gave us. Now the general rule is forced. For differentiable functions u and v, the derivative of the product is u prime v plus u v prime. One term for each side of the rectangle. How the area grows when the width changes, plus how it grows when the height changes. And the naive guess? U prime times v prime? It does appear in the picture as the coefficient of the corner, the one piece that vanishes in the limit. The product rule was never a formula to memorize. It was a picture all along.